Hello, welcome to EngineerComic, the place to imagination. Time we will make a engine for
We make an engine for a car.
that. We start with the SolidWork. At first, we can draw square. Then what we do next? We make a dimension for this. At first, we draw a center line. Right away, center line is like a line that has the gap between them. And then we make a dimension for the center line. Center line. We click this and edit sketch. If you access from sketching mode, you only click the thing that you make and then make it 152.4 for the center line, and click this line. We click this one for dimension, make it 38.1 38.1, and then make this same way and make a dimension or a circle in the two sides of this minus x and positive x. We make the dimension for the circle, and then the circle we make for a diameter 50 diameter point h 50.h millimeter, or mmgs, millimeter gram second. We make it as the scale of this, and then we make a two double circle. Make it another side of this, make it in another side like this, and we back to use the dimension for the circle, the second circle. By the way, we make it as 76.2 millimeter. It is great. Okay, we make offset again, or make a double circle, make a 12.7 like before, and click this. We click this one and this one. We make it coincident. We make it coincident. Then make it coincident for the second time, because there are some problem for this. Okay, we try this again. Is there any wrong from this? Is there any problem for this? Oh no. Okay, we use line. Use the line command and make it trim entities. Trim entities. We make it power trim entities, where we only scroll the pencil for erase, halt, or the line that has meet another line. Okay. We got this. By the way, we got this. And we make it center line. We can change it by the way by right click and then we click this coincident. Okay. Next we has make a sketch for the piston. We change the dimension. We change the length of this of the square 155.4. Sketch again. We click feature and make extrude boss or base. And then we make midpoint for this. Midpoint, it means that uh, it's expand to and it expand to the side of this 2D image and make them 24.13 millimeter for this and like this and like this. We make again and click this part to click the profile and click the circle and make them. We change the depth of this 31.75. We make it midpoint or midland and then unchecklist merge result and checklist if we has done for this. Okay, we got it. By the way, there's something wrong from this. Okay, we change it again. We make again. We don't need to unchecklist the merge. We continue with this and make it midline. We checklist this. Okay, we has been achieved. Wow. We see this one and we okay, we choose in the top of this part. We make again half of circle and make a dimension for the circle that we want to make a dimension or a cylinder that that is half of circle. Make it with diameter 19.05 and then we make the hole for this. But we make a extra at first. We choose the vertical and make it reverse direction and checklist this. We got it. Okay, we got this one and circle again and we will make a fantastic hole to make a piston of this. Okay, we find the center point and then we expand this and then we make a dimension for this. Dimension of the circle is we make it 9.52 and make a hole for we make a hole with we make a hole but there's a doubt from this. I feel doubt about this, and I must fix all of this before we make extra cut. Extra cut, by the way, it's make a hole that's very usable for us to make a component of machine, and then we extract cut in the end. Hooray! Click zoom and rotate view. By the way, I'm not using mouse. You can use your mouse to change the direction of your view. But I'm not use mouse. Because of that, I will make it with right click and then zoom, blah blah blah. Okay, next time I will explain about that. Okay, we choose mirror. There's two kind of mirror, by the way. The mirror for a sketch and mirror for a component that we have made, like hull or extrude boss or extrude cut and etc. I make it boss extrude for this, and we click this all and tada, we get this. We got double hull with bigger half cylinder, and we change our view and sketch to this face and make a rectangle with this and we saw this. There's so many wrong or there's so many problem for this, and then we click this, click and click. It's only click for this tutorial. I'm still a beginner trainer, but I will teach you how as can I what I want to say. I'm forgot by the way. We make it 7.62. For two side, we make it 7.62 for the dimension of the rectangle. What we do first, there's nothing problem. There's only problem. There's always problem for this, but I can change the problem with some solve. We can do that. We make a sketch and edit sketch, and then we edit the sketch for change the dimension of this. We expand this long for this rectangle. Make it 160.00. Exit sketching, then we got this one. Sketch line, sketch, and sketch. We repeat this on the way. Let's continue. Tada! We can make a trim. We can delete. Okay. We back to 155.4 for this and make it a sketch. And what will we do by the way for the sketch? We delete for this and we make another sketching of rectangle for this. We always make a problem, but we learn from the problem. We learn from the loss that we got from this world, from this life. In this life, we has to learn so many things. In most, and click, we click this until this one. Okay. Just fast a bit. We have lost so many time for this, but I can. Okay, we make a dimension again. Click this and click this. Okay, we change. We make it 7.62. 7.62 and make again 7.62 for the lower above the face of that. Make it 7.62. Okay, we got this. We change it as make it coincident for this rectangle. Yeah, we change it as the center line for this one, and we make an extra cut. Make an extra cut. Oh no, I'm always okay. We will do extra cut. Oh, there's something wrong. We always learn from the world. Let's learn from our loss. Okay, we see what's wrong from this. What's wrong? What's wrong? I will see this again and again. Oh, I found this. This is our loss of fuel. I've been looking for it so much time. Okay, we change it as the line is line and make it extruded. Let's we extrude cut this. Make depth of 6.35. 6.35. Oh, always there's some problem, but we got this. Okay, this is our victory. Hmm. Okay, we make the mirror again. Take a part of this. Click part. Click a row behind the part. Beside the part. I mean, we make it right plane or front plane. We choose right plane for feature to mirror. Okay, we got this. What we will do next? Only make a fillet for this. Oh, there are so many sides of fillet for this. various radius of fillet. We make 2.54 and click this face, rotate view again, and click this face in another side of this. We make a face, another face. We make a fillet from another face like this. Ooh. We make the fillet again, rotate view, fillet. I just silence for this. Rotate view again. It's still it's a bit hard for us to rotate view without any mouse. I lost my mouse. Because of this, I will use right click this, and zoom, rotate view again, zoom pen or rotate. That's I mean. We click the right click and then zoom pen and rotate. Zoom or pen or rotate, I mean. And click rotate view. We can rotate our view for this component. Okay, zoom and rotate view again. It's very boring to do this. Okay. We checklist this one. Have we done? Let's see. I'll rotate our view from all sides of this. We can make a fillet for this. This edge we choose this edge. We choose this edge. We make a fillet from this edge and edge. This edge, this edge, and this edge. Yeah, we got this edge again. We make 1.27 millimeter from the size of radius of this fillet. And by the way, before we make it 2.54, we don't change it, but we recently change it to 1.7. Okay. We got this. Okay, we done it. We have got it from the root of this piston. By the way, this is the end of this video, this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.